Hi everyone, it's Becca from the Newburyport Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how you can borrow ebooks from all of the libraries across Massachusetts. If you enjoy reading ebooks but find that the MVLC collection doesn't always have what you're looking for, you might be able to borrow it from another library system. I'm going to show you how you can access this in both Overdrive and Libby. Today's video will be going over the Libby app. Libby is best for reading on your phone or tablet, and it is very user-friendly. If you are looking for our Overdrive video, please check out our YouTube page. The first step is to open the Libby app on your phone or tablet. If you do not have this app, you can download it in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. In the top right-hand corner, there's a small circle that you will click on. This shows you all of the library cards that you have attached to your account. Most people only have one, but there are 7 different consortiums in Massachusetts that you can attach your Merrimack Valley Library card to so that you can borrow ebooks and audiobooks from other library systems. I have a few added here already, but there's a few that are missing, so I'm going to show you how to add those. Down here, you will add a library. It shows you the list of libraries you already have attached to your card, and then it might show you some suggestions down here. If you do not see this, you can always type in or start typing in the name of a city or a library consortium and it will pop up. So I'm going to add my card to the Clams Network, which is the Cape and the Islands. You'll see that their page looks exactly like the MVLC one. The logo at the top is just different. So I'm going to go over to the little circle in the right-hand corner again and click on that. And it shows me I am at Clams with no card yet. So I'm going to click on that. And because I'm visiting from another library, I will choose that and then choose Merrimack Valley Library Consortium and type in my 14-digit library card number. If you do not have your 14-digit library card number, you can always call us or email us to get that information. You'll notice that you are allowed 5 loans and 15 holds at Clams. Every library system has a different loan and hold setup and a different amount. So that is something to be aware of, as well as they all have different loan periods. So in the Merrimack Valley Library Consortium, you can check out ebooks for 3 weeks. And some other consortiums, you can only check it out for 2 or sometimes even 1. So just be aware of the different borrowing periods at different libraries. So now, if you go over here to the little girl in the right-hand corner, you can see that we've added Clams. Anytime you would like to search one of these collections or one of these other libraries, all you have to do is click on it, and you can search for an item. It shows you your search history so that if you're looking for one book from another library, you can try every single library system. I always recommend to people, if there's a book that you cannot find in the Merrimack Valley Library Consortium, to check the Boston Public Library first. They have a very large collection of ebooks, and they also usually have multiple copies of popular titles, which means that you won't have to wait as long for an item. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please reach out to library staff via phone or email, and we'd be happy to help you navigate this system. As always, happy reading.